Every audit engagement begins with a risk assessment. Without it, you're flying blind. In this hands-on session, I'll walk you through how to perform an engagement risk assessment step by step using real examples and practical tools. What is engagement risk assessment? Engagement risk assessment is the process of identifying and evaluating risks specific to the audit engagement. It helps auditors focus on areas that matter most, ensuring resources are used effectively and findings are relevant. Step 1. Understand the context. Start by understanding the business process or function under review. Gather background information, policies, procedures, organizational charts, and prior audit results. This sets the stage for identifying risks. Step 2. Identify risks. Next, identify risks. Ask, what could go wrong in this process? What risks could prevent objectives from being achieved? What external factors could impact performance? Use brainstorming sessions, interviews, and risk registers. For example, in a procurement audit, risks might include fraud, supplier noncompliance, or weak contract management. Step 3. Assess risks. Assess risks based on likelihood and impact. Use a scoring system, say 1 to 5 for each dimension. Multiply them to get a risk rating. High scores indicate priority areas. Example, fraud risk in procurement might score 5 for impact and 4 for likelihood, giving a total of 20, high risk. Step 4. Link risks to controls. Map risks to existing controls. Ask, what controls mitigate this risk? Are they preventive or detective? Are they effective? This helps you decide where to focus audit testing. Weak or missing controls around high risks become audit priorities. Step 5. Document and prioritize. Finally, document your risk assessment. Create a risk register or matrix that shows risks, ratings, and controls. Use this to prioritize audit procedures. This documentation not only guides your work, but also demonstrates to stakeholders that your audit plan is risk-based and aligned with organizational priorities. Engagement risk assessment is the backbone of effective auditing. By identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks, you ensure your audit adds real value. If you found this hands-on walkthrough helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell for more practical audit insights from the GRC Sentinel. And tell us, what's the biggest risk you've identified in your recent audit engagement?